In this video, we are going to see about XAU trade breakdown. So today I have taken two trades. So in first trade, I don't follow my trade rules and I'm not patient in my first trade. So in second trade, I follow my trading rules, but my trading rules which I should take two trades per day. But today I have take four trades. So I don't follow my trading rules today. So I'm not patient. So I have two mistake which I did today. So the things I learned from today is I should be more patient. I should not be over trading. So I'm good at this trade on and this is the trade on. Let's do trades breakdown, guys. So let's see trade on's breakdown. So this is the setup which I have been marked here. Next slide we can explain. So this is the sell liquidity I am expecting here. And from here we can see here displacement. So there is a higher time frame period here. After that inversion, I am entering right here in my funded account. So I'm expecting here, but not happen. So the mistake began this trade. The price was in premium. So when the price was in premium, we should not buy. The lesson learned from this trade. So let's see to the trade to breakdown. So same scenario, we can see here with the higher confirmation. Sell liquidity below 1 hour FEG and displacement plus FEG entry, and we expect this. But sell liquidity happen below higher time frame and FEG and FEG, IFEG and target below above highs. Price where the price is here. The price is in the premium. So if you're going to buy in the discount, so this is the mistake. The previous trade I'm not patient, so I get punished. And this is the ratio, risk to ratio. I'm focusing on to 2 or for recent days. Why? Because I'm the losing streak. So soon I will be updating my monthly P&L status in my funded account. So stay tuned, guys. If you have doubt in this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye traders. I hope I have explained this trade breakdown very simple, guys. Bye traders.